What if you could replace 50 plus WordPress plugins with just one? Sounds crazy, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you the one powerful plugin that can clean up your dashboard, speed up your site, and keep it secure and simple, all without losing the features that you need. So if your site feels bloated and slow, and you're tired of juggling too many plugins, this might be the plugin that you'll ever need. So watch the video till the end to learn how to use it. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. This is not a sponsored video and we are not paid by ASC plugin to make this video. We tried out several plugins and this one stood out because it has all the features we need in one place. So firstly, we're going to install the plugin. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Then click on plugins and select add new. In the search bar type ASC plugin. Once you find it, click install now. Click activate to enable the plugin. Now that the ASC plugin is activated, let's start exploring its features. Firstly, let's see how this plugin can organize a WordPress dashboard. Usually our dashboard would look like this, with different admin notices, updates, and plugin messages. With the plugin, we can hide all the unwanted things and keep our dashboard clean and focused. To do this, go to Tools and click on Enhancements. Now go to Admin Interface, then enable Hide Admin Notices. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now refresh your WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, the admin notices are no longer showing on the screen. Now that we have organized our dashboard, next, let's see how to make our site even more secure. By default, every WordPress site has the same login URL which ends with wp-admin or wp-login. Hackers can easily find this and track your site. But with the ASC plugin, we have the option to change the login URL to anything we want, so it cannot be identified by others. So now let's see how to change our login URL. Go to the login or logout section. Now enable the change login URL option. To set your new login URL, click on expand. And here, enter your new URL. Once done, click save changes. Now let's check if it worked. First, let's try accessing the old login URL. Just go to your website and type in wp-admin. As you can see, it shows the page is not found. Now enter the new login URL and we can see that the login page loads successfully. And that's how you can change your WordPress login URL. Next, let's say you're customizing your website and you want to add small code snippets to make visual changes, insert new elements, or for any reason. Normally, you'd have to install extra plugins, edit theme files to add the codes. But in the ASC plugin, we have a custom code feature that lets you add codes in one single place and easily modify different parts of your site. No extra tools, no complex steps are needed. Now let's see how to add the custom code to your website. To do that, go to custom code. In the ASC plugin, enable the insert head, body, and footer code options. Then click expand to open the fields. Now I'll use a custom code from Google Tag Manager for the header part. Google Tag Manager makes it easy to manage and add scripts to a website without editing the actual code. So go to Google Tag Manager and copy this code. Now go back to WordPress and paste the code here. Once that is done, click Save Changes and that's it. The code has now been added to your site. See, it was simple, right? So with the custom code feature, you can easily add custom code snippets to your site and smoothly make changes. Okay, next, have you ever worried if someone would break into your WordPress site by guessing your password over and over again? To prevent this, there's an option in the ASC plugin to limit the login attempts. So after a few failed attempts, the user gets logged out for a while. So now, let's see how you can limit the login attempts. To do that, go to Security and enable Limit Login Attempts. Now set the number of failed attempts allowed before a lockout. Once done, click Save Changes and that's it. Now if someone tries to enter the wrong password too many times, they'll be temporarily blocked from logging in. Alright, now you must have noticed that by default, WordPress shows its logo in the login page. But wouldn't it be nice if we have our own site's logo there instead? We can easily do that with the ASC plugin. To do that, go to the login section and enable site identity on login page. Once done, click Save Changes. So to check this, let's go to the login page and refresh it. And that's it. we've replaced the WordPress logo with our site's logo. Next, let's make sure WordPress emails are delivered properly. You know, sometimes emails from your site like password resets and contact form messages might not reach your inbox. You know, this can happen when emails are flagged by email servers or go to spam. That's why setting up SMTP is very important. It helps ensure that your emails are delivered properly. Normally, setting up SMTP can be a bit complicated, but with the ASE plugin, it's easy and super simple. You can guide your SMTP servers in just a few steps so your emails reach your users reliably right where they should. To do that, go to Utilities and enable the email delivery option. Then click Expand. Here enter the sender's name and email. To complete the setup, you need a few details for your email servers like SMTP host, port, username, and password. These are the settings that allow your website to connect to your email provider and send emails properly. You can easily find them in the email server's account. If you already have these details, you can just add them in the fields. If you don't, you can watch this video to set up your SMTP. Okay, now let's say you've created a page on your own website and later you want to make a similar one with just a few changes. But instead of building it from scratch, wouldn't it be easier if you could just duplicate the page and make quick edits? With the ASE plugin, we can easily duplicate pages without the need to recreate them from scratch. To duplicate a page, go to Content Management and enable Content Duplication. Then click Expand. And here you'll see two options for where to go after duplicating. I'll choose the list view as it makes it easy to find the duplicated page. To check if this works, go to Pages, then All Pages, and simply click on Duplicate under any page. And just like that, the page is successfully duplicated. Alright, next let's check out another feature called Maintenance Mode. Sometimes you might need to work on your website without visitors seeing the changes. Maintenance Mode helps you with that by temporarily hiding your site. It's like putting your site on a pause while you make updates or improvements, letting your visitors know that your site will be back up soon. So to enable the Maintenance Mode, let's go back to the ASE plugin, go to Tools, and click Enhancements. Now go to Utilities and enable Maintenance Mode. With the ASE plugin, you can easily add your own message to the maintenance page. Now instead of showing a plain default message, you can write something that looks better and matches your style. So to do that, click Expand. And here you can add a custom heading and a description for the maintenance page. Once that is done, click Save Changes. Now let's open an incognito window and enter our website address. As you can see, we've got the message that we added. Alright, next, let's say your site has a lot of images with a large file size. It can really slow down your website and take up a lot of space. In our plugin, we have an option to set a size limit for images, so your images will adjust to the right size when you upload them, saving you a lot of space and keeping your site at optimal speed. So let's see how you can do that. Head over to Optimizations and turn on Image Upload Control. Click Expand. And here you can set the maximum width and the maximum height for uploaded images. Once that is set, click Save Changes. Now let's test it out. Go to Media and click Add New Media File. This is the image that we are going to upload, and before uploading, let's take the image details. And as you can see, the current dimensions are quite high. Now let's drag and drop the image to upload it. Once it is uploaded, click Edit. And as you can see, the image has been resized to match the dimensions we applied. And the image still looks just as clear. Sometimes the WordPress dashboard can feel crowded with too many menu options. This can make it harder to find what you need and it can slow you down. But no worries, we can customize the admin menu layout and make everything way easier to use. To do that, go to Admin Interface and enable the Admin Menu Organizer. And here you can rearrange the menu items by simply dragging and dropping them like this. And if you want to rename a menu, just click on it and type a new name. You can also hide some items until toggled by clicking Show All at the bottom of the admin menu. Once done, click Save Changes. Now imagine one of your pages isn't working properly. Maybe it's been moved, deleted, or it has an error. When that happens, visitors are usually shown an error page, which is a 404 page. It can happen to anyone, right? But instead of leaving your visitors confused, you can just redirect them to the home page and keep things running smoothly. To do this, go to Utilities and enable the Redirect 404 to Homepage option and click Save Changes. Alright, so now we've already covered some really cool features of the ASC plugin, but there are even more awesome ones that come with the Pro plan. So let's explore the extra features that it offers. Just head over to the description below and click this link. And it will take you to this page. Now let's click on Features. Here you can see we have different features. With custom post types, you can easily manage not just your posts and pages, but also products, portfolios, and review. In media categories, you can group files into custom folders and drag and drop them around easily to find what you need. And there are plenty of more features that you can explore below. Now let's check out the pricing plans. You can pick an annual or a lifetime plan with options for solo users, teams, or agencies. So you can choose what works best for you and get access to all the features. Alright, so that's it guys. We've explored the ASC plugin and how it can manage our WordPress site so much easier. Website Learners is now available on WhatsApp. Whenever we have a new video, it comes on this WhatsApp channel. So to join us on WhatsApp, just scan the QR code and click this link. Now click on this follow button and that's it. You'll now receive the latest updates on WhatsApp. If you guys like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.